Beautiful. Keep working. I love your centerpieces you did. They're really fantastic. Wow, beautiful. Zoned and clustered. New York School of Flower Design. How hard was that to do?
Not too hard.
Not too hard. I don't think so either. You all did so well. Let me see that bouquet. How hard was that to do?
Not very hard.
How hard was that to do?
A little harder, but
I think that one's a little harder too, but you all seem to pull it off so easily. Keep blooming. Keep going. How hard is that to do? That's going to be going very nice. Very textured. Beautiful. Easy or hard to do? Difficult?
difficult.
Not sure. Well, this one wasn't, because that is stunning. Good job, New York School of Flower Design.